Very good. It's Mr. H. I'm doing question 11 from the June 2024 Regents exam. Basically, they've given us four functions, and they want to know, we got this employer, her name is Nancy. She's getting hired. They're giving her four different function choices to receive her annual salary. So they've given us, first one is an exponential function. Reason I know that is it has an exponent for a variable as an exponent. The second one is a linear function. The third one is a square root function, and the fourth one is a square quadratic function. All right. So now we know from our studies earlier in the year that over time, exponentials always are going to be growing the fastest. But we have to check to see, because they're saying in year 8, which one is going to give her the highest payout. So all we got to do is put all these functions in and then go to a table, look at the year 8 output for each one of these functions and see which one is the highest. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, I've already entered the functions here, but I wanted to show you this feature. Now, when you use the spreadsheet part, all you have to do is go Control T, and that's going to give you the table. Now, you can only look at like one table at a time, but if you want to see all of the tables, just go Control 6. Now, you have this table, and it has all of the functions there. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a little smaller so we can get them all on here. So here's the first function, second function, third function, fourth function. Now all I'm going to do is go to year 8 because that's what we're looking at. And I'm looking for the one that's the biggest. So this is 281,000. This is 155,000. This is about 136,500. And this is 132,000. So this is obviously going to be the one that gives her the most money. That's the exponential function. That's our answer. Now, but remember, all you're doing is, remember, when they give you functions, when they give you more than one function, graph all of the functions. Put them on the same screen if you need to. Now, I could probably use this Menu 51 to find this out as well, but I think looking at the table when the year is 8 and just looking at the outputs, I think that's an easier way to go. So that's it. That's all it is. So I can go back to my answer and I can say A of T is the answer here. So I'm going to stop and post this. Remember, anytime they give you a bunch of functions, graph them.